Hi everyone, Eugene here, and I'm with George Reis, and we are talking about the short course series that we're having at the Forensic Photography Symposium. That's January 20th to 23rd. There's a series of 4 courses that we're having, one on each day that are optional, and you can opt in for those particular courses. So George, you're a past presenter. Thank you for doing the short course. Can you tell me about the topic and the kinds of things you're going to be doing on this course?
Absolutely. So when I first started teaching workshops, it was Adobe Photoshop in forensics. And I originally was doing strictly fingerprint work, so enhancing fingerprints, creating court charts. Later on, I got asked by people in question document analysis and in forensic video analysis and forensic photographers to do courses in those things as well. So in this, we're going to cover all of those. We're going to cover clarification using Adobe Photoshop in a valid forensic workflow for photographs, fingerprints, footwear. I don't know that we'll cover video, but we might cover a little bit of video as well, all the way from clarification to creating court exhibits.
Okay. And I want to remind people that there is a written test and there's also assignments. So you have to do the 2 in order to get the certificate. So yeah, George, thanks so much. I'm looking forward to it, and we'll see you on there shortly.
Looking forward to it.